Hey guys, Ariana Grande's Thank You Next video plays tribute to all the girl power films we love. So as a tribute to Ari, today we are recreating the looks from her Thank You Next video for our dolls. If this is your first time here, click the notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And like and subscribe too if you want. Let's do this. For the first look, trace and cut these patterns onto a piece of pink fabric. When you've got it all cut out, glue the seams together in the order you see here. To make the skirt, wrap a piece of fabric around her hips and legs. Glue it in front, then cut a slit in the back of the waist, cinch, and glue it to make it form-fitting. Make a halter top out of a pink balloon and slip it onto your doll. Add some detail with a silver marker, and your first Ari and Elle Woods look is complete. Well, almost. To make her little dog, Bruiser, wrap a tan pipe cleaner around a cotton ball, like this. Wrap another pipe cleaner around a straw to make the legs. Then remove the straw and glue them in place. What's missing? Oh right, the head. Duh! Wrap another pipe cleaner around a smaller cotton ball to make the head. And add a cute little nose, a tail, some googly eyes, a couple of ears, and a little pink tongue. Now the fully legally blonde look is complete. Harvard, here we come. Moving on, cut the straps off a bra and then cut away the elastic. Use the stretchy material to make a top for your doll. Sew it back together in the back. Cut the stretchy lace apart off the elastic and use it as shoulder straps. Cut the fabric from the cup of your bra and add a strip of lace to the edge. Wrap it around her waist to make some comfy shorts. Sew the seam, then glue together to make the legs. Cut a couple of strips from a gray sock and sew together. Slip on her knee-high socks and you've got Regina George's bedroom outfit from Mean Girls. So fetch! Next, cut a square of material from a pink tank top. Fold it in half once and in half again. Measure to your doll and trace onto the fabric. Cut it out and cut it open in front. Flip it over and glue the seams together. Add some silver buttons. Now cut a white balloon to make her top. Wrap some stretchy gray material around her hips to make a skirt. Write a statement on the shirt with a marker. This should have been a little bit needy, but whatevs. Our crew must have run out of coffee, LOL. For this next look, fold the sleeve of a red t-shirt over, mark to your doll, and cut out. Glue the seams. Then cut out the material for the skirt, and add a little white ribbon to the hemline. Put it on your doll and glue it in back. Now cut a black balloon to make a little tube top. Pull it on over the red shirt. Then cut 2 white ribbons and glue in an X shape across her chest. Add some black and gold pom-poms and you're ready to bring it on. Thank you next. Cut a white balloon to make this shirt with shoulder straps. Pepper a bunch of red dots all over the top with a red marker. Then cut out some fuzzy gray fabric to make this jacket. Cut it open in front and glue the seams together. Add some tight black yoga pants And you've got the bathroom look from her video. Okay, for this next one, cut the fingers off a white knit glove and put them on as shorts, gluing the side at the hips. Pull them off and cut the top to make them fit. Cut 2 felt triangles and glue them to a strand of white thread. Glue 2 more strands of thread at the top to make a bikini top. Now, glue some fuchsia feathers to a strip of ribbon to create the feather boa. Put it all together as the Elle Woods Ari poolside look. You can make jeans for your doll by cutting these sections out of the bottom cuff of an old pair of jeans at the seams. Then sew the seams together and turn them right side out. Use a pencil to help you push it through. Sew the legs together and glue the top hem of the waistline down. Use a tiny strip of Velcro to fasten the jeans. A balloon works great as a belt. Just cut and put it over the jeans. Cut a pink feather to fit around her chest and glue it to her balloon halter. Then fold some pink organza fabric over twice and trace to your doll's body. You know the drill. Cut open in front and glue the seams. Now you've got the Elle Woods bend and snap look from the nail salon. Next, fold a piece of red fabric twice. Trace to your doll's body and cut it out. Sew together and put a bunch of silver dots on with a silver marker. Cut and mark a small piece for her belt for her 13 going on 30 look. Let's make the dollhouse too. Grab a small cardboard box and wrap in white paper. Mark the doors and windows with a marker. Make cute little shutters with purple construction paper. And don't forget the glittery roof. That's it! Next, let's make another balloon halter top with an orange balloon. Put it on your doll and make little shorts with green fabric and a white ribbon as the belt. Glue it on in back and glue between her legs. Put your doll on the treadmill so she can work out like Elle Woods, who famously said, "Whoever said orange was the new pink was seriously disturbed." Onto the Jingle Bell Rock look from Mean Girls. First, cut a Santa hat to make a tiny hat, a top and a skirt. Cut along the white fur for the skirt material. Wrap the skirt around her hips, gluing in the back, and tie it to fit with a white pipe cleaner. Add a white pipe cleaner to the top and also to the hat. Use black mylar tape to make her thigh-high boots and fingerless gloves. And the Regina George-inspired Santa look is ready for the stage. Those are our Thank You Next fashion recreations that pay tribute to all our favorite teen rom-coms. Which look was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. We hope you had as much fun as we did. And if you like what we're doing and want to keep seeing our pop star inspired fashion for your dolls, let us know by subscribing and sharing our videos. We want to keep making awesome crafty videos for you, so please help us get the word out about our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later!